we will explore together at Cadbury World because today I am at Cadbury World and I want to show you a lot of things here. And Cadbury World is some chocolate. I found an egg here and I love the egg. And he's here, yeah. I love these eggs, they're my favorite eggs. I've got some chocolate here and it's a lot. I found the Egypt trail there and there's 2 guiders there and these don't have hair. I found some bread here and people are making here bread and there's a lot on the table here. I was shaking when I was sitting on there and it was really funny. And I found this here and there are buttons here that you can press like this. Look, this looks like real chocolate, but it really isn't. It's just like some wood. You just see it falling from the roof. Look, see? There are machines that are making chocolate here. I'm making some milk. This milk is good. I really liked the chocolate when I ate it because I ate white chocolate and black chocolate. And here, I can see some chocolate there and 2 machines. And them 2 are making the chocolate to be like, it's mixing the chocolate and it's making this chocolate smooth. I've saw the coconut and you make the coconut and the coconut can be chocolate. You just cut it and then you make chocolate. You get the seeds and then you mix it and then you make chocolate with it. Now I'm going to make chocolate and I'm going to write and then the chocolate you can see it. I can see Cadbury there. It's a mini village. It's right there. It's the big village that is long. I can see how many houses. Look through it. I found a man surfing on the chocolate. Because look, that is chocolate and that is a room and it's all pink. It's so cute, isn't it? Don't you love the color pink? Well, I like it too. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, then like and subscribe. And I hope you've enjoyed all the chocolate that we've seen. Do you like chocolate? Well, like if you do. Bye-bye. I hope you've enjoyed it.